You think your jawline is weak. It's not. Your neck is ruining your face, and almost no one talks about this. Forward neck posture silently destroys your side profile, softens your jawline, creates a double chin shadow, and makes you look weaker than you actually are. Look at two guys with the same face. One has a strong, upright neck. The other has forward head posture. Same genetics, completely different presence. In this video, I'll show you exactly how your neck is sabotaging your attractiveness and how to fix it. Let's start. 1. Forward neck kills your jawline. When your head shifts forward, the skin under your chin compresses. This creates a fake double chin, a blurred jawline, a weak side profile. Even if you're lean, your jaw isn't the problem. Your alignment is. Here's the fix. Stand sideways in front of a mirror. Pull your chin straight back, not down, back, like you're making a double chin on purpose. Hold for 10 seconds. Relax. Repeat 10 times. Do this daily. This trains the deep neck muscles that pull your head into proper masculine alignment. 2. Your neck thickness signals masculinity. Look at fighters, athletes, sprinters. Thick neck, strong base. A thin, collapsed neck makes your head look bigger and your frame look smaller. It creates a teenage look. If you want a sharper presence, you need neck development. Here's what to do. Lie on your back, lift your head slightly, hold for 15 seconds, 3 sets, then flip over and repeat for the back of your neck. Do this 3 to 4 times per week. Slow, controlled, no ego. Within weeks, your profile changes. 3. Phone posture is destroying you. Every hour you spend looking down at your phone, your neck shifts forward, your upper back rounds, your face compresses. This is called tech neck, and it's aging you faster than you think. Your skin folds, your jaw disappears. Your posture screams low confidence. Fix it immediately. Hold your phone at eye level. Pull your shoulders back. Keep your ears aligned with your shoulders. Simple awareness. Massive difference. 4. Tight chest equals weak profile. Most guys train chest, but they never stretch it. Tight chest muscles pull your shoulders forward. That pushes your neck forward, and that ruins your face. After every workout, do a doorway stretch, 30 seconds each side, daily. Open your chest. Your neck will realign naturally. 5. Sleep position. If you sleep with 2 big pillows, your neck stays bent forward for 6 to 8 hours. That's like training bad posture every night. Use 1 medium pillow. Keep your spine neutral. You'll notice your face looks sharper in the morning. Now understand this clearly. Your face is not just bone structure, it's alignment. Forward neck equals weak presence. Neutral neck equals dominant profile. You don't need surgery, you don't need fillers, you don't need magic products. You need posture discipline. Fix your neck, and your jawline will finally look the way it's supposed to. If you want more ultra micro improvements that no one talks about, subscribe now.